Good morning students. So today we are going to discuss the next topic, that is area of triangle. So as we have studied in earlier classes, in class 10, area of triangle equals to 1 by 2 mod of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 square unit. So this was the formula. If the coordinates of a triangle ABC are given as x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So now this relation can also be expressed in the determinant form, right? So in class 12 we will be using not this method, the determinant method. So how to find the area of a triangle? By using determinants. Okay, so let's see the formula. At the vertices are x1 y1 for the point A, x2 y2 point B and x3 y3 for the point C. So now area of triangle ABC formed by these points is given by, write first of all 1 by 2 and then determinate x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1 and 1 and determinant closed. So this is the formula where x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 are the abscissa and the ordinates of the given points, and 1 by 2 is also there in a product of this determinant. So if we simplify this determinant, okay, you can simplify this. So by simplifying this determinant we will get exactly this formula. So you can do, okay, for the calculation purpose, right, and check whether these are equal or not. Okay, if you are not getting them, let me know. So the unit is, we already know that the area is measured in a square unit, right? So now some note points are there. The first one is, since the area of triangle or anything else, right? So here particularly we are using the triangle, can't be negative, right? So while we simplifying this determinant, so it might be possible that we will get the value what in negative. So what we will do, we will ignore the negative values, right? It means if area of triangle, since it can't be negative, so we take positive value of the determinant, right? We will take the positive value of determinant. Suppose after simplifying this determinant we get minus 3. Okay, after simplifying this whole term we are getting minus 3. So what we will write? Finally we will write the area of triangle as 3 square unit, not minus 3 square unit. Okay, so this was the first point. Now the second one is, if the points are collinear. Collinear means all the 3 points forming a line. Then, as we know that we already studied this point in class 10, then area of triangle becomes 0. It means if we simplify the determinant, then the value of triangle would be 0. Okay. Now the point number 3, if area of triangle is given, sometimes the area of triangle will be given in the question and we have to find any coordinate. Okay, so then we use plus or not or, in fact and, plus and minus sign the given value for calculation. It means, suppose area of triangle is given, suppose there is a question, area of triangle is given 4 square unit. So while simplifying this, that is 1 by 2 determinant, the values you will write x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 and 1, 1, 1 because this is the constant. So we will be using what? Plus minus 4. And there is what? Any unknown value. Suppose x, we have to find x and all values are given. And area of triangle is also given, that is 4. So we will write plus minus 4 because why we are taking plus minus? Because the value of determinant might be sometimes positive, sometimes negative. So in order to find what the all possible values of this x, right, we shall have to find what? We shall have to use plus or minus, right? So in such a way, if we go with that, we will be having two possible values of x, and that is the solution of the questions. Okay, so let us solve the problems of the exercise 4.3. It's all about exercise 4.3. So the question number first, taking first part. Find the area of the triangle with vertices given as, let's take the point as A 10, point B 60 and point C 43, right? And then the coordinate is, we can take x1 y1, second one x2 y2 and third one x3 y3. Okay, so we have to find the area of triangle. So now apply the formula. 1 by 2 determinant of, write the formula first of all. It is important for the step marking in CBSE board that you must write the formula and even avoid the mistakes as well, which might be done during the calculation. Okay, so x1, x2, x3. So x1, x2, x3 means 1, 6, 4 and y1, y2, y3 means 0, y2 is also 0 and y3 is 3 and third point is 1, 1, 1. So now this becomes what? The completely a determinant problem, and you have already solved in exercise 4.1, 4.2 some properties, okay, and this directly expansion also can be there. So now we have to simplify this determinant. Okay, so what we will do, as I told you, we expand the determinant along the particular row or column because we will be getting what? The same results if we expand this determinant by any of the rows or any of the columns. So since here we are having two zeros, okay, we can see 0, 0 and 3. So this is the column second. So what we will do, we will solve what? We will expand this determinant along the column C2. So what we will get? So write expanding along column C2. So we will get 1 by 2. Now see, we are using the symbol minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 according to the element. Okay, and now I am telling you, you can also use directly before the element this symbol plus minus plus. See, check once again, plus minus plus, then minus plus minus, then plus minus plus. It means plus minus coming alternatively. And you may check what you were doing in the exercise previously, that for this element, for the first element we were using plus because this is the position at A11. A11 means 1 plus 1, that is giving positive result. And for the second element we were using what? Minus sign, that is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 means odd number. So it means besides using those formulas, we can directly use this symbol combination, and you can see it is very interesting that plus minus plus from any of the sides. If you see, you will be getting what? Alternate way, like plus if you look at this side, So plus, then minus is coming. If you look at this column one side, so plus, minus, then plus, minus, plus. So from many of the sides, if you see, you will be getting what? Plus, minus, plus. That is alternate way of symbols coming, right? So now 0, 0, 3. So we even don't need to write any symbol. So we can write 0 plus 0 directly. And for this symbol 3, it is with minus. So minus 3 into, now we delete the row or column in which this element coming. As you know that how to expand the determinant. So delete this row and this column. So we will have 1, 6, 1, 1. 1, 1, 6, see, 6 and 1, 1. This is the determinant. Okay, according to this 3, this row and this column removed. So we will have these two elements, right? Upper 1, 2 and this 1, 1. So now simplify 1 by 2. So 3 into cross multiplying 1 minus 6. So 1 by 2, 3 into minus 5. So it is minus 15 by 2. And since we know that the area of triangle cannot be negative, so finally the area will be 15 by 2 square unit. This is how that we can find the area of triangle by using the determinant. Okay. And in class 10 we were using this formula, right? So if we need to use this formula unless stated otherwise, because we are using determinant, right? So this is the solution of the question. Now let us see the next question related to the collinear point. Problem number 2. Show that the points are given. So let's write the point A, B plus C, and the point B is B, C plus A, and the third point C, small c, A plus B. So we have to prove that these points are collinear. So recall what we were doing in class 10 to prove that the 3 points are collinear. We were using the distance formula or we were using area of triangle. And area of triangle, if it comes to 0, then the points were said to be as collinear. This is what we have already done. So now we are going to use the concept of determinant. So here same as area of triangle formed by these points has to be 0. So use the formula and you will see that this is the very convenient way to prove that area of triangle is 0 as compared to class 10th concepts. Okay, so you can see x1, x2, x3. So write the coordinate A, this is x1, then x2 is B, similarly small c, and now y1 means B plus C. Next point C plus A, and next point A plus B, and the third column remains constant to 1 only. So 1 is there. Now see, we are going to use the properties of determinant. Okay, so which property I am going to use? See, we are using C1 tends to C1 plus C2 because under the properties there are 6 properties and this is one of the properties, that is property number 6, that we can add any 2 columns or rows. So if we add, this is C1 and this one is C2. So C1 tends to C1 plus C2. So we will get A plus E plus C. Similarly again A plus E plus C. And C2 remains as it is. Okay. So now we see that this A plus E plus C is what? Common. So we can take 1 by 2 A plus B plus C common. So what we will get? 1, 1, 1 and then B plus C, C plus A plus B and the constant 1, 1, 1. Okay. After that since C1 and C3 are identical, right? Property number third, C1 and C3 are identical, and we know that the value of such determinant becomes 0. So 1 by 2a plus b plus c into the value of this determinant becomes 0. So you can write it directly by using property, okay, as the C1 and C3 are identical. So finally area of triangle coming what? To 0. It means the given points are collinear. So you must have seen that this is the very easiest way to prove that the points are collinear, besides using area of triangle, that coordinate formula, okay, studied in class 10, right? So let's see some more questions. Question number 3. Find the value of k. So this time we have to find the value of k. K 0. Then the next point 4 0 and 0 2. So we have to find the value of k, for which area of triangle is given 4 square unit. So this is what that related to our concept, that is the node point. If area of triangle is given, then we will use plus minus sign, right? So now use the formula. Area of triangle equals to 1 by 2 determinant of x1 x2 x3. So x1 x2 x3, these are the values. K 4 0. Now you will have to write first formula, then these values, right? So I am using directly the values 0 0 and 2 1 1 or 1. And area of triangle, what we will use? Plus minus 4 as per the property. Now 1 by 2. So clearly here we have 2 0 in this column. So we will expand according to this second column and using the symbol. So plus, minus, plus, and minus is there. So this will become plus and this is minus, right? You can use the pencil and mark these symbols if you want, or you can directly write. So 0, minus 0 means 0 only, plus 0, then minus 2, okay? So write minus 2, determinant, the row and column deducted, deleted, so k 4 1 and 1, this is the determinant. So now plus minus 4 1 by 2 into minus 2, now simplify, determinant k minus 4, right? So now this will be cancelled out, so we will get equals to, multiply minus sign with this, so we will get 4 minus k, okay? And now we have plus minus 4, so take plus sign, that is plus 4 and minus 4, and you will have the two values of k, right? So very easy that you can find yourself. So simplify this and get the two values of k, right? Now one more question of different type we are discussing. Question number 4, related to straight line. So this time we are given the point A and B 3 6, right? Or we have to find the equation of line joining the point A to B. So we know that it is a 2-point form, as we studied in class 11th, that if 2 points are given, so how to find the equation of line. But here we are restricted to use what? Properties of determinants and the formula of this area of triangle, right? So with the help of area of triangle, we will be finding the area of that is the equation of line AB. So we have to find the equation of line AB, right? And we wish to apply area of triangle. So in order to apply area of triangle, we must be having 3 points. So here only 1 or 2 points are given. So we need to assign the third point. Let the third point be x, y, right? And area of triangle ABC will be, so you may start writing the coordinate from this as x1, x2, x3, or you may start from this x1, x2, that is any point you may take x1, y1, x2, y2, or x3, y3, right? So as I have written ABC, so you will have to start from this order. So prefer the order 1, 3 and x. Similarly 2, 6 and y. Make sure if this is x1, so this has to be y1 only, right? They should be in order. Do not change the order, otherwise the coordinate will be wrong. And area of triangle must be what? 0. Why? Because we are to find equation of line, right? And this C point which has been taken, it is also lying on the line AB, right? This third point is also lying on that line AB. So it means all the points are to be collinear, right? So hence, if area of triangle becomes 0, so 0 equals to, now use the property, otherwise you can expand the determinant, right? So but I am using the property, what? R1, to make the calculations easier. And if you want, you may expand the determinant over here, directly you can expand it. But for easier calculations, we can apply these operations, right? You may prefer these operations. R1 tends to R1 minus R2, okay, and R2 tends to R2 minus R3. So R1 minus R2, that is 1 minus 3, minus 2, 2 minus 6, minus 4, 1 minus 1, 0. Next 3 minus x, 6 minus y, 0, x, y, 1. So now see, now the calculations becomes very easier because we have got 2 zeros in the particular column, that is C3. So every time you should, if there is 1 1 1 line, if you find in any determinants, so what you need to do, use the operations to get zeros in the same column or same row. By using this, what we will see, the two terms will automatically cancel. So we need to expand only for this number. Okay. So let us simplify, plus, minus, plus, then minus, plus. Right. So for 0, there is no need to expand. So you can write 0 plus 0 directly. And for this, plus 1. And write the determinant. This row and column deleted. So minus 2, this one, okay. We can use the pencil, we can cross this. So now this is the numbers, and now we can simplify this, cross multiplying 1, that is the same number, equals to 0. So finally, just simplifying this, you will get the answer. So just cross multiply and get the answer. So I hope you understood all these concepts. So try to examples and exercise problems. Thank you.